configuration management, CM, training, configuration equipment, systems engineering. Did you know? Configuration management, CM, reduces technical risks by ensuring correct product configurations, distinguishes among product versions. Configuration management, CM, is very much powerful and essential system to avoid any risk related with products. What is configuration management? Configuration management is a management discipline what ensures visibility into, and to control changes to performance and, functional and physical fundamentals used over the product's life cycle. Defective or improper configuration management could result in incorrect, ineffective, unsafe products being released. Why configuration management is required? Configuration management is a key systems engineering practice. Configuration management ensures that the configuration of a product is known and reflected in product information. CM reduces technical risks. CM features interaction among government and contractor program functions. Learning opportunities. CM course by TONEX training provides direction to DoD managers assigned the responsibility for configuration management. How to make sure the application of product and data configuration management to defense material items. Acquisition practices, including the manner in which CM is specified in a contract. Course outlines. Ideology of configuration management, CM. DoD configuration management process model overview. Configuration lifecycle management and planning. Government management with planning activities. Configuration identification and control. Configuration verification and audit. Data management. Workshop, configuration management and Navy data environment, NDE, projects. Are you interested in CM? Want to learn more? Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.